Why declutter your inbox?
A cluttered inbox makes finding important emails harder and can overwhelm you with unwanted messages. Unsubscribing from newsletters and promotional emails helps you regain control and boosts your productivity. With the right tool, you can organize what matters and get rid of the rest. Unroll Me streamlines this process, making your inbox cleaner and more manageable in just a few steps.
What is Unroll.me?
Unroll Me is a free online service designed to help you quickly identify and manage email subscriptions. It scans your inbox for newsletters and promotional emails, then gives you simple options to unsubscribe, keep, or group them together in a daily summary. This tool is compatible with popular email services like Gmail, Yahoo, and Outlook.
Signing up and connecting your email.
To get started, visit Unroll Me's website and create an account. You'll be prompted to connect your email address securely. Once connected, Unroll Me will begin scanning your inbox for email subscriptions. This setup only takes a few minutes, and you can manage multiple accounts if needed.
Unsubscribing and organizing with Unroll.me.
After scanning, Unroll.me lists your email subscriptions in one place. For each, choose to unsubscribe, keep in your inbox, or add to your roll-up. Unsubscribing removes you from unwanted lists with a single click. The roll-up feature collects selected newsletters into a daily digest, so your inbox stays tidy while you still get updates you care about.
Maintaining a clean inbox.
Regularly checking Unroll Me helps you stay on top of new subscriptions. The service makes it easy to adjust your preferences if your needs change. Decluttering your inbox not only saves time, but also means you see the most important emails first. With Unroll Me, keeping your inbox organized becomes a simple habit.